Hello everyone, this is gonna be a bit of a different video, or at least a new type of video for me, I guess. That's because I have an idea, a very, very terrible idea for me, but basically a good idea to educate you. So remember the Cheesasaurus Rex from Kraft Macaroni and Cheese? Well, I'm actually going to talk about it now. I'm going to talk about what type of animal the Cheesasaurus Rex is, about its biology, about its ecology, about its evolution, its adaptations, and how did it actually become so popular. So let's begin. Okay, so the first thing we need to talk about is the Cheesasaurus Rex's size estimate. According to the size estimate that I actually had figured out and calculate, Cheesasaurus Rex and his species were about 6 feet in height, over 2 feet in length, and weigh up to 60 to 80 kilograms, or 130 to 180 pounds, the same weight, height, and length of a human being. Well, actually, the length is very different to that of a human because of the tail. Well, yeah. Also, it's very larger than an inkling. Well, yeah, you might get the point. And despite that not very small size to this dinosaur, it's actually one of the most intelligent. I'll explain later, but the Cheesasaurus Rex is actually one of the most intelligent dinosaurs that isn't a corvid, and even give the corvids run for the title. This actually might shock you, but the Cheesasaurus Rex is actually a tyrannosaur, a close relative to the T-Rex, and also more related to the Eutyrannus, since it actually comes from the order Tyrannosauroidea, and that order includes many types of tyrannosaurs. It doesn't matter if it has 3 digits or 2 digits, just all that matters is that they're tyrants of the Mesozoic, like giant rulers. You get the point. Cheesasaurus Rex is one of those animals, and it comes from the subfamily Alioraminae, basically because of that locking jaw that it once used. And the teeth of the animal just changes from the sharp teeth to the glands of teeth, making it more like an omnivore than a carnivore. And speaking of size, it's actually quite small for a tyrannosaur, if you don't count Guanlong and the other types of tyrannosaurs the same size as Cheesasaurus Rex. The largest tyrannosauroid and the largest tyrannosaurid is the Tyrannosaurus Rex, which was the largest meat-eating animal to ever live on land. Okay. Right. Anyways, the Cheesasaurus Rex also has appeared to have a big taste of macaroni and cheese. I'll explain in the next part. Alright, now on to the next one. Now you have heard from that, now you already know that Cheesasaurus Rex is an Alioramin, which means it's more closely related to Alioramus, the tyrannosaur with an inflatable pouch. Now, anyways, about the ecology. Why is the Cheesasaurus Rex so successful, even though it's just basically has a taste of macaroni and cheese? Well, since after the extinction of the non-avian dinosaurs, the Cheesasaurus Rex actually become even more populated, or even more successful after the extinction of its non-Cheesasaurus Rex cousins, and then it become the ruler of the planet, alongside with humans and ants. If you heard that right. Anyways, the Cheesasaurus Rex also have evolved to have 4 digits instead of 2, and also have very flat feet, like human-like feet, even though it still had the dinosaur-style feet. It also appears to walk upright, similar to that of some outdated depictions of dinosaurs from the early 1990s to the late 1800s. Wait, no. Actually, it's from the first depictions of one are from the late 1900s. Or the early 1900s. Okay, the early 1900s to be more correct. Sorry, mistakes happen all the time. Anyways, the Cheesasaurus Rex also have very great binocular vision, despite being a very small tyrannosaurid. This animal also has one of the most highest intelligence of any tyrannosaur, even that of T-Rex. Not only do they problem solve or even socialize, but they can also invent things. Using the Cheesasaurus videos, you might have guessed that the Cheesasaurus Rex invent a craft and macaroni machine maker machine, and he absolutely used that machine to make his macaroni and cheese spirals. Very crazy, isn't it? How smart is that? Well, he has over about 100% IQ. He might be very intelligent. Yeah, but he doesn't actually wear clothes. Instead, it's just being naked all the time. But still, Cheesasaurus Rex still lives up to its name. Okay, so the last thing before we wrap all this up is why he's so addicted to cheese. What's so important with cheese? Well, cheese basically comes from cows, and cows produce milk. And the cow basically makes milk. The milk would then turn into cheese. Yeah, milk turns into whatever stuff it likes. From cheese to butter to yogurt to... And... what's it again? Wait, I forgot. Oh yeah, and love. Of course. Also, yeah, it has high proteins. Milk also has high proteins. Cheesasaurus Rex loves cheese and also meat as well. We both like macaroni and cheese, and I'm also one of his friends, to be exact. I'm one of his fans. I actually love him. Now, there's one big question, where did it gone? Well, he basically actually went to his natural habitat to see his family again. That's my conclusion. Okay, now to the conclusion. So yeah, to my conclusion, there you have it. All the amazing fun facts and biology facts about the Cheesasaurus Rex, of how it evolved, what is its ecology, how it's its size, and why is it so addicted to cheese. Anyways, if you liked the video, then please leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to watch more biology videos on the Genius Primate channel. Also, for one thing, this is actually one of those rare things where I talk about Cheesasaurus Rex's biology. This is kind of rare. I'm the first one, actually. If you want to make your own biology video, then just please leave a link, and of course, make your own. Whenever you can do whatever biology Cheesasaurus Rex video you wanted. Anyways, this is Monkey Ran, and I'll see you all in the next one. Anyways, peace out.